Swire Properties Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a tenant, visitor, or shopper at a Swire Properties development, their app promises convenience and easy access, but is it really worth downloading? One of the biggest pros is seamless property management. Most people get this wrong by thinking property apps are just for paying rent. The Swire Properties app allows users to submit maintenance requests, track their status, and communicate directly with building management. For example, if your air conditioning stops working, you can file a request in seconds and monitor updates without waiting on emails or calls. The app also enhances community engagement. Residents can access news, event schedules, and amenity booking options, making life at Swire Properties more connected and organised. For commercial tenants, it can streamline logistics, such as facility usage or parking arrangements. Another advantage is payment convenience. Rent, utilities, or other fees can often be paid directly through the app, reducing trips to offices or dealing with multiple platforms. Push notifications ensure you don't miss deadlines. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional bugs, slow loading times, and limited features for non-residents. Not all amenities may be bookable through the app, and the interface can feel cluttered in managing multiple properties. Additionally, customer support within the app can vary in responsiveness. In conclusion, the Swire Properties app is ideal for residents and tenants seeking a centralized platform for property management and community engagement. The surprising truth is that while it improves convenience, it's not a perfect replacement for face-to-face service or traditional management channels. For anyone living or working in a Swire property, the app offers time-saving tools and instant access to services, but understanding its limits will help you make the most of its features.